I wanna be a billionaire so freaking bad. Buy all of the things I never had. I wanna be on the cover of Forbes magazine, smiling next to Oprah and the Queen.
This business is quite new to me, as recommended by my friend. So I just try to attend it and feel that this is very interesting. So I go on joining the class to understand what is called Forex investment. Foreign exchange is very important. You have to know how's the market situation. But you just simply cannot play alone. You must get a guideline from someone. Luckily, I get a good friend recommend Dr. Harris for me. At first, I just joined for fun. But after attending the class, I think there's a way to make money out of it, but not greedy as what our consultant advises. He can explain the thing very detailed to us. So he tells us why we should not greedy. Most of people lose money in Forex, but we should not greedy with my Forex guideline. As I told you, before that I don't know what is Forex. After that I attend the class, I understand what is called Forex investment. What will we do? Yes, he give us tips, SMS to us, so we just follow his tips. He give us one day at least 2 or 3 times.
In the air just for the heck of it, but keep the vibes, warnings, skins and bins completely separate. Yeah, I'll be in a whole new tax bracket. We in recession, but let me take a crack at it. I'll probably take whatever's left and just split it up.